discriminated against. There is a next topic. People are engaged in different kind of work like teaching, carpentry, pottery, weaving, fishing, farming, etc. to earn a livelihood. Means every person is doing some kind of work like teaching, carpentry, weaving, farming, and most of the work. Why? To earn some money. ठीक है. However, certain kind of work are valued more than others. If we talk about, means some kind of people are doing some type of work to earn their livelihood. Take activities like cleaning, washing, cutting hair, picking garbage are seen as tasks that are of less value, and people who do this work are seen as dirty and impure. If we talk about the activities like cleaning, washing, cutting hair or picking garbage, that is a task which we are giving a less value, or we are seeing as a dirty or impure work. As you can see, in many times if we see the some kind of people who are picking garbage, what we see that what we think that they are very dirty, they are very impure. ठीक है, this type of things we will say. Why we are saying? Because हमारी जो image है, we have set up their mind that they are doing a dirty job. In class 5th also you have read one chapter जिसमें आपने untouchability and you have learned in untouchability और ऐसे dirty work के बारे में आपने पढ़ा था. In the same way, those they are doing that lower work like cleaning, washing, cutting hair, we think that we are giving a less value and we think that they are dirty and impure. This belief is an important aspect of caste system. Why we are doing this? Because of the caste system. In the caste system, communities, group of peoples were placed in a sort of ladder where each caste was either above or below the other. Those who placed themselves at the top of this ladder called themselves upper caste. Now, if we talk about the caste system, ठीक है, caste system में भी क्या होता है? If we talk about the ladder, means सीढ़ी से अगर हम देखते जाएं, firstly those they are coming who are in a upper caste, जो सबसे अच्छी कास्ट में आते हैं. ठीक है, कुछ ऐसे होते हैं जो अपर कास्ट में होते हैं और कुछ ऐसे होते हैं जो नीचे वाली कास्ट में होते हैं. राइट. सो दोज दे आर कमिंग एट द टॉप, जो सबसे पहले आते हैं, वी से दैट दे आर इन अ अपर कास्ट, वो ऊपर कास्ट के हैं. ठीक है. And saw themselves as superior, or what they were showing, they were showing that they are very superior. Those they are coming in a upper caste, जो ऊपर की कास्ट में आते हैं, they are showing that they are very superior. The groups who were placed at the bottom of the ladder were seen as unworthy and called untouchables. और जो बॉटम पे आते हैं, ठीक है, in a ladder who comes at the bottom, what we seen unworthy, जिनकी कोई value नहीं होती, and we call it untouchables. You have read it in a class 5th about untouchables. In a same way, those they are coming at the bottom, ठीक है, we say untouchables. See, Dalit is a term that people belonging to so-called lower caste use to address themselves. If we talk about Dalit is a term who belongs to a so-called, means we call it as a untouchables. They prefer this word as untouchables. What we say? Untouchable. Dalit means those who have been broken. This word, according to Dalits, shows how social prejudice and discrimination have broken the Dalit people. Means if we talk about the Dalits, this show that prejudice means we have made it a negative feeling about them, and that is why we do a discrimination. The Dalit people. The government refers to this group of people as scheduled caste. What we have given up, what government has refers to these people? Scheduled caste means SC. Caste rules were set which did not allow the so-called untouchables to take on work. As per the caste rules were set which they did not allow the untouchables to take on work. उन्हें कोई भी काम करने के लिए नहीं दिया जाता other than what they were meant to do. For an example, some groups were forced to pick garbage and remove dead animals from the village. Means no one is giving a work. Okay, that is the reason. That's why the untouchables or the lower caste peoples, what they will do, they are forced to pick up the garbage. वो force मजबूर हो जाते हैं to pick up the garbage or to remove dead animals from the village. But they were not allowed to enter the homes of the upper caste and or take water from the village well. That is why, means they are doing that work, means picking the garbage or removing the dead animals from the village, but they are not allowed. They did not allow to enter any upper caste family or to drink a water from the village well. मतलब कुएं से भी वो पानी नहीं ले सकते upper caste के. Or even enter temples. They did not allow to enter a temple. Their children could not sit next to the children of other caste in school, and means their children also they did not allow to sit with a other caste or a upper caste in school. Thus, upper caste acted in ways which do not give the so-called untouchables the same right as they enjoyed. That is the reason, means upper caste is acted as a superior. जो upper caste होते हैं वो superior act करते हैं, and that is the reason those who are in a untouchables or a lower caste, they are not means they are not getting a proper right whatever the upper caste is enjoying. जो rights upper caste को मिलते हैं वो rights किसको नहीं मिल पाते हैं? lower caste को. This is the picture being made to sit separately in the classroom because of one's background is a form of discrimination. क्या हो रहा है यहाँ पर? In this picture you are seeing that some children are sitting alone. ठीक है, वो सेपरेटली बैठे हुए हैं बिकॉज ऑफ वंस. कुछ ऐसे बैठे हैं जो एक साथ बैठे हैं, कुछ ऐसे बैठे हैं जो अलग बैठे हैं. वाई? बिकॉज सम आर ऑफ वन बैकग्राउंड, एक ही बैकग्राउंड से हैं, और कुछ अलग बैकग्राउंड से हैं. और ये चीज़ें क्या पैदा करती हैं? डिस्क्रिमिनेशन, यानी कि भेदभाव. नाउ Dr. Bhimrao Ambedkar, one of the greatest leader of India, as you know, Bhimrao Ambedkar, who is the greatest leader of India, shared his first experience of caste-based discrimination, which took place in 1901 when he was just 9 years old. Means he is expressing some experience in front of you. What he is saying, when it was about 1901 when he was just 9 years old. He had gone with his brother and cousin to meet his father in Koregaon, which is now in Maharashtra. What he is saying, when he was just 9 years old, at about 1901, he had gone वो अपने भाई and with his cousins to meet his father in Koregaon, which is now in महाराष्ट्र. मीन्स वो अपने भाई और कज़न्स के साथ अपने फादर से मिलने गए थे. कहाँ? इन कोरेगांव, वेयर इट इज इन महाराष्ट्र. Long did he wait, but no one turned up. An hour elapsed and the station master come to inquire. Means we are waiting for long but no one come. and an hour passed. After that, the station master come and he was asking for the ticket. We show them the ticket. After that, he asked why we tarried. We told them that we want to go to Koregaon and we are waiting for our father or a servant to come, but no one has come here. That is why we are here and we want to go to Koregaon. We were well dressed children, means no one with our dressing sense and with our talk, no one can recognize that we are the untouchables, and station master was quite sure that we are the Brahmin children. So he was very extremely touched with us, okay? And as usual, among the Hindus, the station master asks who we are, means as usual everyone is asking who you are or what you are doing. In a same way, station master is also asking the same thing, that who we are. Without a moment thought, I blurted out that we are Mehers. बिना सोचे समझे I told him that we are the Mehers. Mehers is one of the community which were treated as untouchables in the Mumbai presidency. In the Mumbai presidency, means people think that Meher community are the untouchables. We cannot touch them. So he was stunned. मतलब वो बहुत चक्का रह गया. His face underwent a sudden change. उसकी expression में change आ गया. We could see that he was overpowered by a strange feeling of repulsions. As soon as he heard my reply, उसके मतलब मेरे reply के बाद, he suddenly changed his feelings about themselves. उनके बारे में उनकी जो feeling थी वो बिल्कुल change हो गई. He went away to his room and we stood where we are. और वो वहाँ से चले गए और हम अपनी जगह पे खड़े रहे जहाँ पर हम खड़े थे. 15 to 20 minutes बीत चुके थे. The sun almost setting, डूब रहा था. Our father had not turned up, nor had he sent his servant. ना अभी तक हमारे फादर आए थे और ना ही उनका कोई सर्वेंट आया था. And now the station master has also left up. अब station master भी वहाँ से जा चुका था. We were quite beleaguered, and the joy and happiness which we felt at the beginning of the journey gave way to a feeling of extreme sadness. Means whatever the feeling we are having, now it was change in a sadness. अब वो जो अच्छी feeling थी वो sadness में बदल चुकी थी. This is a picture where two brothers are standing over here, and with him the station master is also here. Okay, he is asking a questions that who we are, who you are, and what you are doing here. After half an hour, the station master returned and asked us what we propose to do. After half an hour, again the station master came and he asked, now what you will do? We said that if we could get a bullock cart on hire, we would go to Koregaon. He is saying if we will arrange a bullock cart, ठीक है, अगर हम बुलक कार्ट को अरेंज कर लेते हैं, यानी कि बुला लेते हैं या हायर कर लेते हैं, देन वी वुड गो कोरेगांव, तब हम कोरेगांव जा सकते हैं. इफ़ इट इज़ नॉट वेरी फार, वी वुड लाइक टू स्टार्ट स्ट्रेट अवे. वो बोलते हैं कि अगर ये ज़्यादा दूर नहीं है कोरेगांव, देन वी विल गो स्ट्रेट वे, हम लोग स्ट्रेट वे जा सकते हैं. There are many bullock carts plying for hire, but my reply to the station master that we were Mehers had gone round among the cartmen. Now what they were saying, दे वर सेइंग कि वी आर हैविंग सो मैनी बुलक कार्ट्स टू हायर, हम बहुत सारे हायर कर सकते हैं, बट माई रिप्लाई टू द स्टेशन मास्टर दैट वी आर द मेहर्स, एज यू नो वी आर द मेहर्स एंड वी आर अनटचेबल्स, ठीक है, among the cartmen, and not one of them was prepared to suffer being polluted and being demeaned himself carrying passenger of the untouchable classes. What he is saying, as you know we are the mahers and we are the untouchables, if you are feeling like a strange, then how the bullock cart will hire us, मतलब वो बुलक कार्ट हमें कैसे हायर कर सकता है या हमें कैसे एज बीइंग एज अ पैसेंजर हमें कैसे बिठा सकता है, ठीक है. We were prepared to pay double the fare, but we found that money did not work. What they were saying, they were saying कि we can give double money, मतलब जो पैसा कोरेगांव जाने तक लगता है we can give money double, हम डबल देंगे, बट पैसा यहाँ पर काम नहीं आने वाला था. Why? Because we are the mahers. The station master who was negotiating on our behalf stood silent. जो स्टेशन मास्टर हमारे बिहाफ में बोल सकता था वो साइलेंट था, नॉट नोइंग व्हाट टू डू, उसे भी नहीं पता था कि क्या करना है. सोर्स डॉक्टर बी आर अम्बेडकर राइटिंग एंड स्पीचेस वॉल्यूम 12 एडिटेड वसंत मून बॉम्बे एजुकेशन डिपार्टमेंट गवर्नमेंट ऑफ महाराष्ट्र. डॉक्टर भीमराव अंबेडकर 1891 से लेकर 1956 is considered the father of Indian Constitution and is also best known leader of the Dalits. What they were saying, Dr. as you know Bhimrao Ambedkar, he has made some constitution, Indian Constitution, okay, and he is the father, means आपने जो constitution अभी संविधान बनाए हैं जो भी बने हैं, who has made this, that Bhimrao Ambedkar, he is the father of Indian Constitution and he is best leader also. किसके लीडर हैं वो बेस्ट? दलित्स के. डॉक्टर अंबेडकर फॉट फॉर द राइट ऑफ द दलित कम्युनिटी, वो दलित कम्युनिटी के लिए लड़े भी थे. दलित मीन्स आई टोल्ड यू अर्लियर अनटचेबल्स. ही वॉज born into the meher caste because he was fight with other people because he was also a meher, ठीक है, वो खुद भी एक मेहर कास्ट से थे जो कि अनटचेबल्स माने जाते हैं. which was considered untouchables. The mehers were poor, owned no land, and children born to them also had to do the work their parents did. और मेहर क्या होते हैं? गरीब होते हैं जिनके पास ज़मीन नहीं होती और उनके बच्चे भी वही काम करते हैं जो उनके पेरेंट्स करते हैं. They did in spaces outside the main village and were not allowed into the village. उन्हें गांव के बाहर रह कर के सारे काम करने होते हैं because they are not allowed to come to village. Dr. Ambedkar was the first person who from his caste who completed his college education and went to England to become a lawyer. Means in his caste, in his whole Dalit caste, he was the first person who has completed his studies, okay, and went to England. England गए थे lawyer बनने के लिए. He encouraged Dalit to send their children to school and colleges, and he encouraged the other person also to send their child to school or colleges. He also urged Dalit to take on different kinds of government jobs in order to move out of the caste system. And as you have seen in today, means most of the scheduled caste or lower caste, they are in a government job. तो government means उन्होंने ये ऑर्डर भी दिया था, मीन्स टू टेक ऑन अ डिफरेंट मूव. ऐसे बहुत सारे मूवमेंट लिए थे जहाँ पर गवर्नमेंट क्या करे, जो लोअर कास्ट है, ठीक है, जो कास्ट सिस्टम के अंदर जो लोअर कास्ट हैं उनको भी गवर्नमेंट जॉब मिल सके. He led many efforts of Dalits to gain entry into the temple. और उन्होंने बहुत सारे ऐसे एफर्ट्स भी डाले थे जिससे कि जो दलित्स हैं उन्हें क्या मिल सके, टेम्पल यानी कि मंदिरों में एंट्री मिल सके. Later in his life, he converted to Buddhism in his search for a religion that treated all members equally. What happened? after that he was means in converted he converted to Buddhism. He was converted in Buddhism and he is searching for a religion, ठीक है, जहाँ पर उनको क्या मिल सके, इक्वली ट्रीट किया जा सके. डॉक्टर अंबेडकर बिलीव दैट Dalits must fight the caste system and work towards a society based on respect, not just for a few but for all person. वो चाहते थे कि कास्ट सिस्टम में जो भी सोसाइटी के प्रति मीन्स वर्क्स टूवर्ड्स अ सोसाइटी जो भी हो रहा है, ठीक है, सोसाइटी के अंदर जहाँ पर लोगों को रिस्पेक्ट नहीं मिल रही है वो सबको रिस्पेक्ट मिले. वो रिस्पेक्ट सिर्फ कुछ लोगों के लिए नहीं बल्कि उन सारे दलित्स के लिए थी. Imagine how difficult it would be if people could not move easily from place to the other. How insulting and hurtful it is to have people move away, refuse to touch you, or allow you to drink water from the same source as they do. आप सोचिए कि कितना डिफ़िकल्ट होता है जहाँ पर पीपल कुड नॉट मूव, एक जगह से दूसरी जगह वो नहीं जा सकता, या लोग उसकी इंसल्ट करते हैं या उसे दुख देते हैं, ठीक है, इधर हाफ मूव अवे, ठीक है, उसकी इंसल्ट करके चले जाते हैं और उन्हें टच नहीं करते, और अलाउ यू टू ड्रिंक, उन्हें अलाउ नहीं करते कि वो सेम जहाँ से वो पानी पी रहे हैं, जिस सोर्स से, वो सेम पानी वो लोग भी पी सकें. दिस स्मॉल इंसिडेंट शो हाउ अ सिंपल टास्क ऑफ गोइंग फ्रॉम वन प्लेस टू अनदर इन अ कार्ट वॉज नॉट अवेलेबल टू द चिल्ड्रन इवन दो दे कुड पे द मनी. आप सोचिए एक छोटा सा इंसिडेंट विच दे हैव टोल्ड अबाउट द बुलक कार्ट जो इंसिडेंट उन्होंने बताया जहाँ पर वो बच्चे डबल पैसा दे कर के जाने को तैयार थे, बट बुलक कार्ट हैज़ रिफ्यूज्ड. लेकिन बुलक कार्ट ने क्या कर दिया, रिफ्यूज़ कर दिया. सो ऑल द कार्ट मैन एट द स्टेशन रिफ्यूज टू टेक द चिल्ड्रन. लेकिन हर कार्ट ने क्या करा, रिफ्यूज़ कर दिया. दे एक्टेड इन अ डिस्क्रिमिनेटरी मैनर. उन्हें किस तरीके से लिया गया, डिस्क्रिमिनेट किया गया, उन्हें भेदभाव की नज़र से देखा गया. So clearly, as this story shows us, caste-based discrimination is not only limited to preventing Dalits from undertaking certain economic activity, but it also denies them the respect and dignity given to others. Means this story shows that कि जो डिस्क्रिमिनेशन होता है वो सिर्फ दलित्स के लिए ही नहीं है, टू प्रिवेंट दलित फ्रॉम अंडरटेकिंग सर्टेन इकोनॉमिक्स, बट ये किस लिए भी है, बिकॉज ऑफ द रिस्पेक्ट एंड डिग्निटी विच गिवन टू द others. Next topic is striving for equality. The struggle for freedom for British rule also included within it the struggle of large group of people who not only fought against the British but also fought to be treated more equally. As you have seen the struggle which the Indian has done against the Britishers, ठीक है, where the group of large number of group of people who fought against the British. Why? Because they want to treat equally, वो equally होना चाहते थे. Dalits, women, tribals and peasants fought against the inequality they experience in their life. जो inequality, उन्हें जो sources, resources और जो opportunity नहीं मिल रही थी वो equally लेने के लिए they all fought against the Britishers. As pointed out earlier, many Dalits organized themselves to gain entry into the temple. As you have seen earlier, Dalits organized themselves. उन्होंने खुद ऐसी चीज़ें करी जिससे कि क्या हो सके, उन्हें टेम्पल में जाने की एंट्री मिल सके. Women demanded that they should have as much a right to education as mandate. और विमेंस ने भी क्या करा, डिमांड करी that they also want to go to school like the mandate. peasants and tribals fought to release themselves from the grasp of the moneylenders and the high interest they were charged. Means peasants and tribals also want to release from the moneylender. moneylender से वो release होना चाहते थे, ठीक है. And whatever the high interest they were charging from the tribals and peasants, they want to release that also. जो मतलब जो मनी लैंडर्स ने उनको पकड़ के रखा हुआ था, दे वॉन्ट टू रिलीज देमसेल्व्स, वो अपने आप को बचाना चाहते थे, छुड़ाना चाहते थे उस चीज़ से, और जो हाई इंटरेस्ट उनसे चार्ज किया जा रहा था उसको भी वो रिलीज करना चाहते थे. When India became a nation in 1947, our leaders too were concerned about the different kind of inequalities that existed. What happened means when the India became a nation, जब इंडिया एक नेशन बना in 1947 after the freedom, ठीक है, तो means leader were very concerned about the different kind of inequalities. जो inequalities हो रही थी उसके बारे में वो काफ़ी ज़्यादा concern थे. Those who wrote the Constitution of India, a document that laid down the rules by which the nation would function. Means whatever the constitution has been written on a document, that rule would be function. वो होने थे, मतलब जो constitution बनाए गए थे, that should be followed properly, were aware of the ways in which discrimination had been practiced in our society. जो भी constitution, जो rules and regulations whatsoever has been made, because of that should be followed, and by this discrimination will come out. इससे क्या होता गया? discrimination होता गया, भेदभाव होता गया. And how people had struggled against this, और कैसे लोग फिर इस चीज़ से स्ट्रगल करने लगे, यानी कि कैसे लोग सफ़र होने लगे. Many leaders of these struggles, such as Dr. Ambedkar, had also fought for the right of the Dalit. और बहुत सारे स्ट्रगल्स में ऐसे डॉक्टर भीमराव अंबेडकर जी भी थे जिन्होंने दलित्स के राइट के लिए दे विल फाइट, उन्होंने क्या करी? फाइट करी. सो दीज लीडर्स सेट आउट अ विजन एंड गोल्स इन द कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन to ensure that all the people of India were considered equally. So leaders set out a vision, means लीडर्स ने एक विजन बना रखा था, गोल ले रखा था कि जो भी कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन वो बनाएं वो उसको ध्यान में रखते हुए बनाएं कि इंडिया के जितने लोग भी हैं उन सबको इक्वली कंसीडर्ड किया जाए. This equality of all person is seen as a key value that unites us all as Indian. और इक्वलिटी रहे इस, और इक्वलिटी को बरकरार रखने के लिए ऐसे कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन बनाए गए, ऐसे लॉज और या फिर रूल्स एंड रेगुलेशंस बनाए गए जिससे कि जो हमारी इंडिया है वो यूनाइट रहे, यानी कि यूनिटी रहे, ठीक है, और वो सब एक साथ जुड़ करके इंडियंस बने रहें. एवरीवन हैज़ इक्वल राइट्स एंड अपॉर्चुनिटी, ठीक है, हर किसी को इक्वल राइट्स और अपॉर्चुनिटी दी गई ताकि इंडियन जो हैं वो एक साथ जुट कर रह सके, उनमें यूनिटी बनी रहे. अनटचेबिलिटी इज सीन एज अ क्राइम एंड हैड बीन लीगली अबॉलिश्ड बाय लॉ. मीन्स जो भी अनटचेबिलिटी जो दिखाई जा रही थी, लोगों के बीच में दिख रही थी, उस चीज़ को लीगली अबॉलिश किया गया, लॉ के द्वारा उसे हटाया गया. पीपल आर फ्री टू चूज़ द काइंड ऑफ वर्क दे विश टू डू. और लोगों को ये इस चीज़ के लिए रिलीज़ किया गया कि जैसे अनटचेबिलिटी में क्या होता था अर्लियर, व्हाट पीपल डू, दोज हु आर इन द अनटचेबिलिटी और द लेट्स और मेहर, दे डोंट वांट टू मीन्स दे डू नॉट वर्क विद द अपर कास्ट पीपल्स. वो अपर कास्ट पीपल के साथ काम नहीं कर सकते थे. सो बट आफ्टर दिस लॉ बनने के बाद पीपल आर फ्री टू डू वट एवर वर्क दे वॉन्ट टू डू. गवर्नमेंट जॉब्स ऑल्सो आर ओपन टू ऑल पीपल. गवर्नमेंट जॉब भी जो थी, वेदर इट इज़ अ अपर कास्ट और अ लोअर कास्ट, ऑल विल डू दैट गवर्नमेंट जॉब. In addition, the constitution also places responsibility on the government to take specific steps to release this right to equality for poor and other such marginal communities. मीन्स उसी के साथ साथ कुछ ऐसी कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन में कुछ ऐसी भी रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी गवर्नमेंट को दी गई जिससे कि क्या हो, ऐसे राइट्स बनाए जाएं जहाँ पर जो गरीब हैं या पिछड़ी जाति के जो लोग हैं, अलग जाति के जो लोग हैं, उन्हें भी क्या करें, इक्वली राइट्स मिल सकें और वो भी अपनी अपनी राइट्स को समझकर आगे बढ़ सकें. The writers of the Constitution also said that respect for diversity was a significant element ensuring equality. Means those who are writing the constitutions, जो भी constitution लिख रहे थे, that also they were saying that diversity was a significant element. Diversity क्या भिन्नता क्या है, सबसे ज़्यादा significant role है, ठीक है, ensuring equality. Which is showing the equality. They felt that people must have the freedom to follow their religion. Means they feel all will follow same religion. Means they are free to follow any religion, speak their languages. Means whatever language they want to use, they will use it. Whatever the festival they want to celebrate, they will celebrate or express themselves freely. और जो भी वो बोलना चाहें, करना चाहें, whatever they want to do, they are free. They said that no one language, religion or festival should become compulsory for all to follow. Means if you will see in other countries, they will follow only one language, but India is the diverse which you can follow many languages. ठीक है, आप अलग अलग स्टेट्स में अलग अलग जगहों पर देखेंगे लोग अलग अलग लैंग्वेजेस बोलते हैं. Why? Because they are free to speak. They said that the government must treat all religions equally. और गवर्नमेंट सारे ही religions को equal मानती है. Therefore, India became a secular country where people of different religion and faiths the freedom to practice and follow their religion without any fear or of discrimination. Means India became a secular country. As you know, India became a secular country where different type of religions or faiths has been practiced and follow their religion without any fear and discrimination. बिना किसी डर और बिना किसी भेदभाव के everyone can follow any religion, okay, or any faith. ठीक है, this is seen as an important element of our unity, that we all live together and respect one another. This is seen an important element, और ये बहुत ज़रूरी भी है, which we can see in India, ठीक है, of our unity. मतलब हमारी जो एकता के लिए इंडिया में डाइवर्सिटी होना बहुत ज़रूरी है, ठीक है, that we all live together. और इसी वजह से, यूनिटी होने की वजह से, As you know, India is a diverse country जहाँ पर आपको अलग अलग रिलीजन, अलग अलग फेथ्स मिलेंगे, ठीक है, एंड फॉर दैट ऑल्सो वी ऑल आर इन अ यूनिटी, जहाँ पर हम क्या करते हैं, वी ऑल लिव टुगेदर एंड रिस्पेक्ट वन अनदर. हम एक दूसरे की क्या करते हैं, रिस्पेक्ट करते हैं. दो these ideals are enshrined in our constitution, this chapter points out that inequalities exist even today. Means whatsoever constitution rights and laws has been made that is ideal for our country, and whatsoever inequalities that been exist even today. Equality is a value that we have to keep striving for, not something which will happen automatically. Equality ऐसी वैल्यू इज़ अ वैल्यू, एक ऐसी वैल्यू है जिसे हमें क्या करना है, हमेशा प्रयास करते रहना है। वो कोई भी चीज़ आपको ऑटोमेटिकली यू विल नॉट गेट इट, कोई भी चीज़ अपने आप नहीं होती। People struggle and positive actions by the government are necessary to make this a reality for all Indians. Means whatsoever people has done, whatsoever struggle people has done, or पॉजिटिव एक्शंस टेकन बाय द गवर्नमेंट, जो भी गवर्नमेंट ने पॉजिटिव एक्शंस लिए हैं वो बहुत ज़रूरी थे। ठीक है, जो भी स्ट्रगल्स लोगों ने करे या गवर्नमेंट ने जो भी पॉजिटिव एक्शंस लिए वो बहुत ज़्यादा इंपॉर्टेंट थे। आपने देखा होगा व्हाट्सोएवर स्ट्रगल द लीडर्स हैज़ डन एंड बिकॉज ऑफ दिस इंडिया गेट फ्री, इंडिया क्या हो पाई, फ्री हो पाई। ठीक है, और व्हाट्सोएवर गवर्नमेंट हैज़ टेकन दिस एक्शंस, जो भी जैसे रूल्स रेगुलेशंस जो भी बनाते हैं, दैट इज़ बेनिफिटेड फॉर अस, हमारे लिए, हमारे फ़ायदे के लिए वो बनाते हैं, टू मेक दिस अ रियलिटी फॉर ऑल द इंडियंस। एंड विद दिस वी गेट टू नो द रियलिटी फॉर ऑल इंडियंस। By this we have completed this chapter. I hope you have understood this chapter very nicely. Thank you and have a nice day.